Hi everyone, my name is Saina. I'm a hair extension specialist and stylist and brand ambassador for TO112. Today I'm going to show you how to achieve this non-textured wave. For this look, I really wanted to collapse all volume in her hair. I mixed the hair cream with the serum. I applied this from the mid-lengths to the ends. Once her hair is all smooth, I take my first section and generously apply the anti-humectant. Then I go in with my hot tool, creating my waves. I continue this process throughout the hair. The Anti-Humectant Spray is amazing for sealing the cuticle and repelling any moisture. The product totally combats frizz without weighing the hair down or leaving it greasy. It's also extremely pliable. Last, I finished with the serum, which leaves the hair shiny and silky smooth. Thanks for watching, and I hope you all were able to take something away from this tutorial.